Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm here to show you a tech tip on door seals. In particular, door seals that push onto the flange and that are not connected on the ends. Now we extrude those longer than they need to be on purpose because you're going to have to cut the excess off. And make sure you choose a cutter that can cut through the metal core that's in here cleanly. And you'll want to cut it so there's about an inch overhang before you actually put it on for the final time. Alright, we have our excess here that we cut off. We can see we're still overhanging about an inch. And what you're going to need to do is actually put the ends on to get it together and then push the excess material back. And you do this because this material, the rubber, is going to shrink over time. So you want to make sure you have extra length in here. So now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to push it back in. I'm going to do the same thing here. Match the ends up good. And you're ready to go.